Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to link YouTube channel to a Facebook page. Let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is open our Facebook page. So this is already my Facebook page. And click on the menu icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Now here, you need to scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. And click on Settings. Now you have all of these options. Now I need you to go down to Audience and Visibility. And after that, click on the page details. Here you can see under the contact info, there's add website, add social link, etc. So what we're gonna do is to click on add social link. Now below the social links, there will be a button. It says add social link. Click on that. And it will ask you what is the platform. So you just need to click on it and select YouTube. And it will ask what is the username of the YouTube channel. And then save. You make sure as well that you connect your account. And that's it. That's how you link your YouTube channel to a Facebook page. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!